In this video, I'm going to show you 5 proven exercises to fix a bulging disc naturally without surgery. When you have a bulging disc, the best way to fix it is to bring it back to its original place. Sometimes this is possible, sometimes it's not. For mild to moderate disc bulges, it is possible. And these are the top 5 exercises that will help you do that. The first exercise is to do a traction on a pull-up bar. If you're doing it at home, then you can do it on a pull-up bar that you can install between the door frame. So hang on a pull-up bar and relax your body. Let gravity do the pulling. And you hold this position for 60 seconds. If you don't have a pull-up bar at home, you can do it on a table. So go to the edge of a table and then lean over it. So once you lean over it, just grab hold of the table. Make sure the table is sturdy enough and also it's strong enough that it's not gonna tip over when you put your weight on it. And then just going to hang like this. Just relax the half of your body. And gravity is gonna apply some traction on your lower half. And you can do this for 60 seconds. Now this one may not be as comfortable as doing it on a pull-up bar because it's gonna put some pressure on your abdomen. But it's better than not doing anything. And usually the pressure is not gonna be too severe that it's going to cause pain. The third exercise is a prone on elbow. So just go on your stomach. So when you go on your stomach, prop up on your elbow and hold it for 10 seconds. And then you go back down and then you do it again and you repeat that 5 times. What you want to watch out for there is the increase in pain. If you have an increase in pain on your lower back, that's okay. But if you have an increase in pain radiating towards your legs, that is not okay. You have to stop the exercise. Ideally, you should not have an increase in pain. The ideal scenario is if you do that, you will have a decrease in pain. And the same principle applies to the next 2 exercises, which are progression of this first one. So keep that in mind. If you're finding this helpful so far, subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to relieve your back pain. Now, the 4th exercise is the progression of the one I showed you earlier. This is called the prone on hands. So you're going to go on your stomach and then this time instead of pressing up on your elbow, you're going to prop up on your hands. So slowly prop up on your hands and then hold it for 10 seconds. Relax your lower back and your body when you're doing this. And then go back down and you repeat that again. You're going to repeat that 5 times. Again, you want to observe the pain that you're feeling, just like I mentioned earlier. If you missed that or you skip over it, rewind to that part when I was doing a prone on elbows. The 5th exercise is a standing extension. I want you to stand up straight like this. Put your hands above your buttock area and then lean backwards. You're going to hold this for 10 seconds. And then come back straight up and repeat that 5 times. Unlocking your hips is also key to getting rid of your back pain. Watch the next video to know how.